Hey Blossoms, friends, and family. It is Natalie, the Almond Girl Styles. I'm coming to you guys with something completely brand new. I've started a pretend cooking show where I will be featuring some dishes that I find absolutely decadent, delicious, and super fun to make. You will go along with me on this journey with mistakes and all, so that it's just something fun and light, and it'll be just like you cooking at home for your own friends and family. So today we are actually going to be making a decadent, rich, delicious, old-fashioned chocolate cobbler.
So I wanted to quickly go over the ingredients with a list with you. You'll see a general ingredients guide, which will be the main ingredients for the cake or cobbler that, as it were, that you're making. And then you'll also see the crumble ingredients. Make sure you keep those completely separate in your stage as you move forward. I also wanted to highlight two things. First thing is the 2 half sticks of butter that you're going to use. Those are going to be used at the very beginning stages of your recipe building. You're essentially going to melt those down in a 350-degree oven in your preferred baking dish or Pyrex. And then for the 1.5 cups of hot water, make sure it's piping hot water and be safe. You'll want to add that at the very end. What I did was I went ahead and did my dry ingredients separate from my cold brew coffee and from my vanilla extract. I added those at the after I combined my dry ingredients. For the crumble mix, I also added those together separately just to coat the chocolate chips and make sure that everything was completely homogeneous. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe or save to this video. And let me know what you think about the recipe in the comment field and the video in general. Thanks, guys!